How old am I? I'm 18 years old. How old are you? I'm 25 years old. How old is he? He's 10 years old. How old is your brother? My brother is 41 years old. How old is your dad? My dad is 68 years old. How old is she? She's 17 years old. How old is your mum? My mum is 45 years old. How old is your sister? My sister is 20 years old. How old is your gran? My gran is 90 years old. How old is the puppy? The puppy is 9 months old. How old is this tree? This tree is 300 years old. How old is the Eiffel Tower? The Eiffel Tower is 128 years old. How old are your parents? My dad is 34 years old and my mum 28 years old. How old are they? They're over 60 years old. How old are we? We're in our teens.